I can hear the intake spooling. That sounds sick, I'm not gonna lie. Remote control, car will not start. I have the key right here. Like, I don't know why. My key battery is dead, really. My key battery, I just need a new key battery.
I ain't no killer, but my niggas stay away. Cause listen, I don't wanna hurt anybody. My bitch is a brat, had to break in the body. I don't need a bodyguard, only got bodyguards.
We back, man. Back on the channel, coming at you live on the IS, man, on a beautiful Saturday morning. Again, it's not that beautiful though. It's kind of a cloudy, rainy, wet morning. But today we got two boxes here. As you can see, we're in the IS, headed over the wheel spot right now. In this box, we've got our valve cover gasket and a little bit of oil just in case we need to top it off. That's our main job today we're doing. And then we also, in this box, have our dual cone intakes from VRSF. So hopefully we'll get some air induction noises today. Get those intakes installed and see if we can get some blow off sounds. I know we obviously don't have a blow off valve, but you know, the intakes give a nice little blow off too if they're sounding right. I know they sure did on the F30, but that is a single turbo car, so I'm sure there's some differences there. The car looks great from the outside. I'll show you guys. The coils are starting to settle down, so we still need some wheel spacers to get a good fitment, but on the stock wheels, definitely need some spacers, some wide ones as well. But once we get the wheels that I want, wider setup, like a 18 by 9 or 18 by 9.5, put a tire on them, we'll be good to go. Might not even need a spacer, but could possibly need a small one, so. Needs rotors. E93. Man. My guy will, man. I don't know if I told y'all, but my man's motor. It's all apart, man. It's all taken apart. Golly. You got it on jack stands? This show's just sitting up right now. Dang.
I'm trying to take the head off of it. It don't want to come off. It's like it's stuck.
N55.
On the outside and everything. I don't know why that motherfucker don't want to come off.
Gasket over here. And then wheel shop. Got that 435 lifted up. Turbo out down here. So this a pure stage 2. So we got the motor ripped apart up here. This is an N55 that's taken all apart, about to be pulled out, and he's gonna build it internally forged because one of the cylinders went on the 435. No.
Don't let him cry.
So we just getting all these the cowl off and all that, and then basically it's just taking off the valve cover, taking off the gasket, replacing it, and putting it back on. I got my dual cone intakes that'll go right here. Take off the stock airbox, and put on some VRSF dual cone intakes. Then I'll grab it. Took off the stock airbox, and Will had me disconnect the battery so that he could take off the fuel rail. Now we have the fuel rails off. We just set it over here on the side. These are my intakes in VRSF, so these will go right in the OEM locations here and over there in the back. So there'll be 2 cones here. VRSF sent us a good little package, some stickers. Is that gasket bad?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. It's crunchy. Especially right there. It's all the way flat. Look at that. In the corners. Super flat.
So you basically just pressing it into place all the way down. So we got the valve cover back on. Now we just need to put the fuel rail back on, put the ignition coils back in, valve vacuum lines, the harnesses and all this stuff back wired up, get our injectors plugged in, this wheel's doing right now. Here are the cones. I'm pretty sure it's just it goes in here like that. So I've got the cone on here now, and I'm just gonna tighten up this flathead clamp here. Well, I need two hands. It's basically just these two little screwdriver clamps. You're gonna clamp on both sides of the cones in the OEM location where the airbox was before. Left this piece on because I've heard that it actually does a better job of circulating the air directly to the intakes. This is where the original airbox was, so hopefully the dual cones will pick up some of that air as well, and hopefully we'll get some good blow-off sounds. Got the valve cover gasket on, everything's put back together. Now I'm gonna wash the car because it's a bit dirty. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but I'm gonna wash the car really quick. Got our valve cover gasket installed and our VRSF dual cone intakes installed, man. Car's sounding good. Damn it, it needs spacers so bad in the rear. If it had a spacer, it would be so dialed. I mean, it's so dirty. Just gave the car a quick wash. It's spick and span right now. I mean, it's mint right now. Just washed the car and it's about to start raining. Just my luck, I guess. I don't know, but it feels like the car is starting up a little bit more aggressively with this, with the new valve cover and the intakes. I wonder how the intakes sound. I haven't really listened to them yet. Why is it popping like that? Car's driving like it should. I can hear the intake spooling. That shit sounds sick. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, you can hear it! The dual cones kind of kick up. Listen. So good right now. VRSF dual cone intakes installed with the new valve cover. Car's running great, man. Appreciate you guys for watching this video, man. Another quick maintenance day, install day on the IS, man. Just getting it ready, man, for what's ahead. To start off, I know we'll be getting our rotors, our wheel studs, our wheel spacers. That'll be coming up for sure. And stay subscribed, man. Check out the latest video as well, where we took the car to Slam F Atlanta. It was a pretty sick day. As always, it's your boy 6 Man. Stay tapped in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's get it.